Good morning. Well, we're getting ready to head out of camp. It's just a little after 7 in the morning. Had a nice leisurely morning. Yesterday's sunrise was the one to be at. This one kind of came up behind a mountain, and so we didn't really get any good colors today. Pretty good camp, pretty well isolated, and quite quiet, very quiet. Last night when I was sitting at the campfire, an owl kept circling, making his little noises in the air, little grunts, and then he'd go off and hoot. And then frogs and some coyotes off in the not too distant hillside. Really a wonderful, peaceful evening. Really was a good stop. And we got to have a fire. Just something about camping needs a fire. Okay, I'm going to put my shaky camera down and get going. Okay, here we are on Highway 20. We're going to head east on Highway 20. We're passing through a state park, Thunder Eggs. I don't know, I haven't seen any signage for it, but it's on the map as Thunder Eggs. So some kind of state park. The way these cliffs loom up overhead, really pretty cool. And of course, flattened out by the camera. We've made it to Leslie Gulch. Pretty incredible formations here, flattened out by the camera. It's kind of impressive. These red rocks just tower right over you. Can't camp in this canyon, so we'll find someplace else for the night. But it's only about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so plenty of time. Pretty impressive. We made it to the Boise National Forest. We're several miles north of Boise. And I thought we'd end up camping somewhere in Oregon, but all that BLM land out there, not a tree in sight, and a lot of it is, I guess they lease it to the ranchers for grazing. There just wasn't any really place that appealed to me. So I had remembered that there was a little area up here in the Boise National Forest I wanted to explore. So it was early enough in the day. We shot up here. It's getting on to be 7 o'clock p.m. local time. And I just came up some random Forest Service road as far as I could till the snow stopped me. And there's some snow on the road ahead, a little too much to forge through. And I took a little footage of going through snow back that way, but I forgot to turn the camera or press record on the camera. So that's ineptitude there. So I'm just going to camp right here in the road. I mean, I'm not blocking anything because nobody's going to be able to go any farther. I'm the first one up this road, I think, since it snowed. We're not going to be prevented from camping, though. I like to cut the wood square as I can, or split it and find the square pieces. They fit in the box on top of the rig, and I can pack them together real tight and get more bang for my buck. So the sun is already starting to drop down behind the mountain. So I expect it to be getting dark in about another hour. Well, we're enjoying our third campfire of this trip. This is our fourth night out. I got the rustle of the creek behind me. I heard some birds earlier, but now that it's getting dark, they seem to have quieted down. Once this fire gets going again, I'm just going to sit down and enjoy it. And watch the sky get dark. Well, thanks for watching these videos. I really enjoyed the adventure and the filming and the editing and putting all this stuff together. I'll probably do some more of these things as the time allows, and depending on what the future holds. So until then, I'll see you guys out here on the back roads.